All right, ke Mamumini. So, what is the name of your business?
It's Ndu African Cuisine.
You specialize on Ndu African cuisine.
It specializes ngezipheko zesiXhosa. Saqala ngemileqwa ngoku. Ndiyayixhela and then ndihambise ebantwini be-order. And then abanye ke bayacela unqunqelwa at a charge, abanye bayacela uphekelwa at a charge.
Okay.
And then ke ngoku ndithengise ne-soup bag. And then on a daily basis I bake ipankuku.
Okay. So why you pack?
Upheka yeyona nto ifunwa ngabantu. It's the need. Apha ekuhlaleni. Apha around.
Okay.
Apho sihlala khona.
So when did you
especially ke imileqwa abantu bayithanda kakhulu.
Yes. Okay. So when did you start and who taught you how to cook or bake or all that you do right now?
Okay, ukuxhitha ke inkukhu nokuxhela inkukhu ndifundiswe ngummelwane wam. Siqale kunye ukwenza the business, but she has since moved. So ndafundiswa nguye ke i-tactics zokuxhela nezoklina inkukhu ibe presentable to the buyer.
I'm coming now.
Okay, bye-bye. And then ke ngoku ubhaka yinto endayifundayo ekukhuleni. Khulele ezilalini ecala ndikhuliswa ngumakhulu wam. She taught me how to cook.
Okay.
Anything ezembizeni.
Oh yeah, I was weird.
Aye. You can ask around.
Funny enough, we questioned our I was like, look, but what makes your food unique?
You can ask around. Ask everybody, okay, wadla.
Okay. So you have a special taste when it comes to food.
And angikwazi uyichaza because it's a secret.
Of course. I'll put it on business. Okay.
But yeah.
So who do you work with? Who helps you in your business right now?
I've got a lady ihlala kwalapha kufitshane that helps me and my family ke.
Okay. And then what is your eventual goal in your business yakho?
Eventual goal kuba ne container apho ndizawukwazi ukwenza kakuhle because the kitchen is too small. It's a home kitchen. If I can have a bigger place enondenza ndikwazi naxa kunetha kuba nzima uxhwitha because ngixhwithela phandle. So something that has a shelter will be of good help.
Okay. Like eventually, again, you say you have a special taste in food and people love your food. Now, to me, that rings a restaurant.
Yes.
Is that part of the plan, the future?
Plan.
Okay.
Yes, it's part of the future plan.
To have your own restaurant.
Yes.
Okay, that's powerful. No, thank you very much, Mamini, for your time.